Hi guys, welcome back to the BMW Guy YouTube channel, and today we're going to be talking about my favourite mod that I've done on this car so far. So if you've been following the channel, you know I've done a few little subtle appearance mods. I've got the wind deflectors there. I've got various other bits such as the interior bits as well, but one of the best mods that I've done is this aerial here. This has sort of transformed the car completely. I originally, when you buy the car, you'll notice it's got a big long tall aerial and it just looks a bit crap, if I'm honest. So I hopped onto Amazon and I had a look for a replacement aerial, and what I found was this shark fin job here. So as you can see, it looks like sort of a later generation BMW aerial, shark fin aerial, sort of what you find on the F20s. And it was £12, so I didn't expect much from it. It's sort of just like a plastic shell with a bit of wiring in it, which is your aerial, so it does work. Fitting it was a bit odd. I decided to take my own route with fitting it, and I decided to fit it by not removing the original aerial base. So I essentially just got a little cutting saw and cut round the inside so it would fit, and it comes with its own adhesive strip and it will literally fit just straight on. You just need to screw the little aerial inside here on, and I must be honest, the radio hasn't been affected whatsoever, and I've been really impressed with this. I've tried to jet wash it off just to see how much abuse it could take, because obviously it's only £12, so you could quite easily fix it again. But yeah, it has performed really well, and I just like the way it completely transforms the car. As you can see, we've got one on the stock on this E8X, and it just sort of brings your car back into the modern era. Like on this Mazda 2 here, you can see that the old aerials just don't look as good. So if you're looking for something just to sort of modernise your car and just really transform the look of it subtly, then that is going to be the mod for you. I'll stick the link down in the description below. If you want any tips on how to fit it, I've actually done a full video on this called how to, or installing a cheap Amazon aerial to my BMW. So make sure you check that out. I'll link that in the description as well. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.